This thing's a monster, man. A monster, I'm telling you. Oh yeah. It just occurred to me when I was throwing it that I should check it. Yeah, it's steel. Alright, so this let's cut this off. Wait a minute. Probably unscrew it. Yeah. Alright. Steel all the way. No question about it. And this, I wonder if this is zinc maybe? Oh, could be. Might have to do a test. So why can't I get this flange off of here? There we go. Okay, that's aluminum. Heck yeah. Just went under my desk or my bench. So these mating pieces sometimes aren't zinc. Oh, I bet it is though. That's, I'm not even gonna do it because I know that's zinc. Wow. Look at the heat sinks on this thing. Okay, so let's get this thing taken care of. Go. Quick work of that. Wow. Look at these heat sinks. Oh, they slide into one another. That's it's got to be extruded. Let's weigh this. Those 4 pieces are 5.5 pounds. Then this comes up. I don't know if you could do anything with this, with these things. I like the round one though. It's kind of attractive. That's aluminum. I'm going to say that that's cast. And I got the extruded here. Then we got this whole mess. Snip a wire here. Another one here. Put me out of my misery for a second. Clip a bunch of wires, get all this out of here. Okay. Okay, so that's aluminum. We'll call that sheet aluminum. And a couple of these. Nice little bit of wire. So the scrapyard that I go to, they don't have a bunch of different types of wire categories. For regular wire like this, it's either #1 wire or it's #2. And that's all kinds of stuff. Every other kind of wire there is, that's the 2nd grade. I don't have to be too worried about knowing all the different grades. I think there's an 80%, 50%, 40. Yeah, that hurts my head too much. Trying to figure all that out. So now we've got a little bit to go. Oh, you Okay, so it's good I took that apart because these are aluminum sheet. Okay, this one has a plug and a hook on the bottom. Let's plug this in and see if it works. Let's see if it blinds you. Oh! Holy moly. Look at that. I could hang that from the ceiling. Woo. So I'm not going to take that one apart. The kind of interesting thing about this is that they're all different. There might be a couple situations where there's more than one, but mostly it's all different. So you can't really get into a rhythm. Okay. The reason I waste my time with this is because I know this is zinc. You can just tell it's grayish color. I've never seen one of these before though. Ah, there we go. Some more good zinc that I will in fact melt. Shouldn't even have to check. That's brass all day long. Okay, so we got that off, but there we go. Okay, it's coming off. Wow, that was a frickin' struggle. That's aluminum. It's really light. Steel. That's cast. That's cast. There's a piece in here, a couple pieces maybe. Well, just one. It's cast aluminum, chalky gray, or is it zinc? Or is it zinc? I'm gonna get my torch. Let's see. Let's see. Zinc started to bubble up and melt. And this is kind of light, which makes me think maybe it's not zinc. Nope. I wasn't dead set on that one. So that one's aluminum. Let that cool off. This is kind of heavy. I'm almost certain this is. No. That's why I said I'm almost certain. Well then that's cast aluminum then. Fine by me, I'll take it. I already can tell I'm not gonna have the right size in that stupid set. Probably the 9/64ths. Yep. Is that a common size? That's the second time I've used a 9/64ths. Sounds like the dumbest size ever for anything. Tiny set screws in the corners here. I can't believe I have one small enough. Good. This aluminum, that's, boy, is that extruded? Or just sheet aluminum? It's really nice looking though. Looks like extruded. So, that's the inside of this one. Yes, you are. Oh, man. You see that? Piece of aluminum. Oh, man, this thing's heavy. It's going to be a lot of good cast aluminum on this one. Nothing really in these. Lid off of here. Turn this scale back on. Okay, this is stainless as well. Let's see what the weight is. 3 pounds. There's the glass piece. Oh, can't get in there. Oh, that's dirty. That is dirty. Too big. Oh, there we go. Sometimes you just gotta go old school with it. Oh, man, that was in there. Probably gonna be some goodies inside of this. That's all cast. Okay, after a while, I just start losing tools. Just get things out of the way for now. Let's see what we got going on down here. That's some nice cast right there, faux show. That's a nice chunk. It's about a pound. Okay, so in this kit, gotta go with the biggest one, the big salami. Oh man, I thought it was gonna be on there hard, but it's not. That's aluminum. Kind of shocked that I have the right size for this. Oh, there you go. Okay, so as you can see, there's 4 of these three brass doohickeys there. All kinds of stuff on the inside. This one's going to be a bugger to clean up. That's solid. So how are these supposed to come out? That's what I want to know. It's like these washers here are keeping it from going out. Unless it's this little rubber washer thing here. Oh, there you go. Heaven forbid if I use my noodle for cast. Somebody broke a record, but it is what it is. There, got the wires out, good. Now we got some screws to take out. And some bolts. Oh, I love these things. These tools right here, and and my drill. Oh, I love it. Just another big chunk of cast. Right there it is. Ooh, baby, it's all stainless. Just because it's going outdoors or something, that it's got to be, can't corrode or anything. Nuts, bolts, washers, everything. That's a totally clean piece. Okay. There we go. Okay, that one's going to be stubborn. Nice stainless. There you go. More stainless, all cast. Now we got to figure out how to get those out of there. Got the plate right here that's flipped up for some reason. Okay, really looks like stainless. That's all cast right there. Wow, look at that. And these are screwed in probably. And these are magnetic. I mean, everything on this has been cast, but then you get a piece like that. I wonder if it's extruded. What do you think? Leave a comment if you know. Looks like it to me. Can't believe this is working. Look at that big bruiser. Yeah, heck yeah, that's all brass. Two more where that came from. My battery in this GoPro repeatedly overheats and shuts off. It's 74 degrees in here. Anybody that thinks that cars are gonna fare well run by a battery, kind of living in outer space. Too hot, too cold, it's not gonna work. Really? Oh, it screws in there. Oh, look at this thing. And that is extruded. Absolutely beautiful piece. See how heavy that is. It's gonna be 3 pounds. Holy cow. The aluminum coming in hot and heavy. Kind of looks like a birdhouse or something. Maybe it's supposed to, I don't know. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, shoot. That might be it. Yeah, see, it's stainless. Probably throwing all kinds of stainless in my bin. I'm gonna have to go through it. Wow. Get this over here. Oh, all these pieces of glass. These guys are killing me, man. That's a big, thick chunk of glass. I'm gonna have to come back to that. So I think I'm gonna have to take the sledgehammer to it. This thing is heavy as could be, though. And it's like a mirror. Look at yourself. Can you see yourself? It's quite the light bulb, too. Yeah, a light bulb. Oh, wow. Yeah. Transformer down here. Ugh. And that's why this thing's so heavy. And it's heavy. Yeah, it's copper. I like it. Oh shoot. That's probably stainless. Come on, baby. I don't have all day. Get the F out of there. Okay, so I've got 2 pieces of glass on this one to break, which I'm not doing right now. This piece with the glass on it. 10 1/4 pounds. All right, I gotta go to bed or something. Relax. I'm all scrapped out for right now. Tell you what, the stuff that I got out of that dumpster, it's gonna take me a while to get through it all. Anyway, I'm signing off for now. I don't know if this will be the end of the video. I've taken so much video that I don't know how long this thing's gonna be. Still have a lot more to go yet, but not like you need to see them all. Anyway, peace out. Thanks for watching.